Hey guys, Mr. Wiggins here again. Just wanted to go over your learn opportunities for week 4 of our phase 3 learning. You guys are going to start out by clicking on your Schoology computer course. Go to your marking period 4 learn opportunities, phase 3 folder, and then you're going to click on week 4. We're meeting May 19th as well as May 21st. And then once again, I have the same 4 resources listed up above. So you have your class or your computer class snapshot listed first. Um, the screencast, which is what I'm doing right here, right now. Your Pixar in a Box account class sign up instructions. If you haven't done this yet, this is really important because to earn credit for either of the learning opportunities for this week, I'm actually going to be looking for completion of an exercise within Khan Academy. So if you're not within our class, you need to make sure that you're doing that to earn credit. So I don't want anybody to miss out on engagement levels for your weekly report because you haven't done that already. On Tuesday of next week, on the 19th, we are going to be having Zoom meetings for 7th grade. It's from 8 to 8:30. For 8th grade, it's going to be 9:30 to 10. And for 6th grade, it's going to be from 1:45 to 2:15. These are all optional. So if you completely understand what's going on, you do not need to attend. If you need to clear up any questions whatsoever with either the learn opportunities or anything that's happened in Schoology, or you just have a question in general and need some clarification, make sure to join this Zoom. So let's go ahead and look at our 2 learning opportunities. This week, our learn opportunities all deal with color and what that means, particularly for you coming up with a movie, your background, your scenes, your characters, all that stuff. So the first thing that we're going to work on the 19th is understanding color spectra for your Pixar movie. So let me go ahead and open this. Just like before, next to assignment, you guys are going to see the My Document button right here. I have the teacher version, so I have in progress work as well as submitted work. But when you click on My Document, you should get a following template that looks similar to this. So this looks a little bit different than last week. You guys are going to have the 2 videos that you're going to need to watch before you complete following Pixar exercise. So you need to watch Color Science and Spectrum of Light. That's going to help you to answer the questions that they have within the Pixar exercise, understanding spectrum. And this is all on like spectrum. Just like I said before, make sure you have successfully joined Khan Academy class. If you guys are going through this for the first time and joining, just know that I have to approve you on my end before you can see any assignments that are assigned to you. So there may be a little bit of lag time in between that, but make sure you're doing any of that before you're watching the videos or if you're answering the Pixar exercise. The next learning opportunity that you guys are going to have is the red, green, blue, as well as the hue, saturation, and light color model for your Pixar movies. So this kind of dives into it a little bit deeper. You guys are going to watch 2 videos for this, as well as do 2 exercises that deal with either the RGB color matching or the HSL color matching. Let me fix this real quick. So same principle with the last one. Watch this video, then do this exercise. Watch this video, then do this exercise. I will be looking in Pixar to give you guys credit, so there's nothing that you need to do for either this assignment within Schoology submitting wise. I'm going to be looking and making sure that you guys have completed both of these assignments within your Khan Academy Pixar in a Box class.
Like always, if you have any questions or any concerns, please feel free to email me. My email address is jwiggins@wssd.k12.pa.us. All right, guys, have fun, stay safe, and hopefully I'll be able to see you at some point.